girl Renee, and I am out here today, and the weather is gorgeous. It's like 69 degrees, and the rest of this week is supposed to be fabulous weather. So, what your girl gonna be doing? I'm gonna be out here trying to get some more stuff done. Because when spring hit, I just want to be out here and look at my backyard and be like, whew. I don't have a lot of stuff I got to do to get to planting and get to enjoying the spring. Because I don't know about you, but when spring hits, I am ready just to sit out and look over my garden and just visualize how everything is going to look beautiful for this growing season. And I know you guys feel the same way because we're all cooped up inside in the house and we're dreaming of spring, and we just want to come out and enjoy the weather, enjoy watching you guys' videos of what you guys are doing over in your garden. So I'm gonna put the work in now so I don't have to put the work in when spring has come and it's beautiful outside. But the reason why I'm here today is because you guys know how I had those cement planters on my patio table on my deck. Well, I'm getting these all cleaned up, all broken down, put them to rest for the winter. So when spring comes, I am going to plant nothing but onions. I want to grow a whole bunch of onions next year because those little onion starts that you get from Lowe's and Home Depot, they make the most beautiful little small onions that I can just cut up, put them in a Ziploc bag, and I can use them for my sautés, whatever I'm cooking. So your girl is on an onion kick. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm going to make and grow me a whole bunch of onions because that's on my what am I going to be growing in the springtime video coming up, so stay tuned for that one. All right, so let's jump into this video and let's get these things cleaned up so they'll be ready for my what? Onions. Onions. I want what? Lots of onions. All right, guys, stop let me act all silly and crazy, but you know, being out here in all this beautiful weather, that does it to you. You're just so excited that you're not freezing, that it's out here and it's comfortable. It's not a breeze, no rain. I don't even see Rocky today, so that's a win-win situation in my book. But I still got something waiting for him, but Amazon ain't delivered it yet, so I don't know what's slowing him up. But Amazon, if you could hear me or if you watch my YouTube video, I need my package. Rocky and me got to have our last fight of the year, and I'm gonna win. So Amazon, bring my package. All right, guys, let's jump into this video. And if you hear the noise in the background, that's my trash truck company coming to pick up the stuff that I have put in them trash cans. Yep. I know he hate to come to my house because he's like, oh, Miss Renee's got some kind of trees, rocks, stumps, whatever. Oh, well, that's what the garbage people are supposed to pick up. So I am excited about hearing the trash man. All right, let's get into this video. Guys, as you can see, there's 3 of those concrete planters, and I'm going to take all the netting off, all the little brackets that I had to hold the netting up, clean them all up, stack them up, and put them in their spot until spring is going. So I'm going to start cleaning. You guys can just watch me work. All right, let's get busy. Got to put my gloves on, and we are going to tackle this real quick. Shouldn't take that long to clean this little bit up because I've harvested as much as I can out of here. So we're just going to take it to the end. And they have done such a great job for me, so I was very pleased of what I was harvesting out of here. And these little brackets right here, I don't know if you guys can see them. I got those from Lowe's, and they were only like, I think $2 and something. And these are great for putting into those planters and then using this to hold your netting up so it doesn't stop your plants from growing. Don't forget, if you have never ever tried these clamps, I got these at the $1.25 store and they work great. Look at that. Perfect for clamping down your netting for your containers. These ones right here. And they came in white and blue. Now I'm just going to dig up all those. I got my trash bag on the side and I'm just going to clean it down to the bare dirt. See, got my bag. And these are my red Malabar spinach. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up the rest of my containers and I'll show you what they look like when I'm all done. As you can see, I've got them all cleaned up and I wanted to show you guys. I have stacked these two on top of each other and I cleaned it all the way down to the dirt, and then what I'm going to do is put this in over there in the corner, and then I'm going to put this netting over it so Rocky won't be digging in this dirt all through the winter time. And then I decided over here where you can see that I kept one planter because it had a cordon bleu cabbage, still looks pretty good, and some of that lettuce, that radicchio lettuce, there's 3 of them in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these brackets right here, 2 of these back in that planter, and then I'm going to cover it with the tool here so it can continue to grow. And if it doesn't grow throughout the winter, then you know, I tried. But I also wanted to show you too is that remember when I was telling you guys about this garden marker that I got on Amazon? Look, it has lasted all through the spring, summer, fall, and now into winter. See, you can still see the writing clear as day. So I don't know about you, but I know I've been having a lot of problems with my labels and my markers and stuff coming off, and I don't know what I planted. So if you guys are interested, go on Amazon and see, and it's called a garden marker right here. This thing is amazing. And I put all my stuff, all my supplies in a Ziploc bag of the tool and the clips in a bag, so when it's time to plant those cement planters again, I'll have everything I need right here in this bag. And if you're like me, I do not like to go around searching for stuff, because that just makes, you know, your gardening time so much harder because you got to take time out to go and try to search and find all your stuff. And nobody got time to do all that. I don't know about you guys, but I know I don't. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put um, the netting and the brackets in those pots right there. That one pot that I told you I had the lettuce, radicchio, and cabbage cordon bleu. I'm going to cover that up so Rocky doesn't be messing with it. And then I'm going to cover this up with that tool, put it in its place, and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. All right, guys, Miss Renee's out here getting some stuff done so I don't have to do it in the springtime. All right, I'll be right back. Got it all netted up. So I got the lettuce radicchio and the cordon bleu. So I have 3 of the lettuce and 1 cordon bleu. See? All right, guys, so we're going to keep you updated on how this does during the winter. If it survives, if it makes it, we got our fingers crossed on this experiment because you know Miss Renee always doing some kind of experiment up here in her garden. So I might as well try to keep eating off of what I have if it seems like it's nice and healthy like these 4 plants look. They look healthy and they look like they're starting to make more of the lettuce in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see it because there you go. See how in the middle of that plant it's like a little rosé? That's new lettuce trying to grow. So I couldn't pull it out. I had to at least give it a chance. And the cordon bleu, it's starting to make a little small baby head in the middle. So I'm giving it an opportunity to see how far I can get it before we get hit with this winter weather. But this weather is so unpredictable that I'm hoping we get a mild winter and everything that I have still out here that looks like it's trying to survive will survive until the spring. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for Miss Renee. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Share me out. Let everybody else see what things are happening over here in Miss Renee's garden. Alright, guys, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you join my Renee's Garden family. I am going to love you guys up for taking the chance and taking this journey with me in my garden. Alright, guys, have a wonderful day.